Good morning. It is a beautiful morning here at the park. A little chilly, but that's okay. I'm gonna warm myself up with a good breakfast, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna chef it up with, I'm calling this an egg in a nest, a chorizo nest. Stay with me on this one. I think this is going to be fun. I'm going to do it in my jet boil, and I have a new piece of equipment with my jet boil that I'm going to use, a skillet. So hopefully this will all turn out very well and heat me up. Oh, I am going to do some coffee too. I need that. So to do this skillet, as usual, it really starts with your mise en place. I did it all at home. I chopped up some tomatoes, mushrooms, onions, some green pepper, some jalapenos. And I have that all set aside. I also took some potatoes and nuked them or cooked them in the microwave for just a little bit, and then put them in a little container with just a little salt, a little pepper, a little paprika, and just kind of kept those there. So the first thing I'm going to do is use this, my new jet boil mini skillet. It comes with its own spatula, which is nice. So this is what I'm going to cook it in. Essentially, I'm going to cook all of my hash down, add in some chorizo as well, put it around the sides, and then drop an egg in the middle of it. So let's get this bad boy started. there you have it. Egg in a chorizo nest. It looks fantastic. I have some coffee with some cream, a tortilla, and some vitamin water, tropical mango. Let's try this out. It's fantastic. Everything is cooked well, very flavorful. This is an easy meal to do. I did it in my jet boil skillet, and it was fantastic to use for the very first time. I'll talk about the jet boil stuff in a video to come. Let's have a little coffee because it is cold. And it warms you up inside. This is exactly what I need on a cold morning, and I hope it's something that you'll try out there on the road as well. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJEDEYE. And then, of course, you can follow me on my website at RVJEDEYE.com. Get out there, chef it up, have fun when you're out there. There is no need to eat poorly on the road. This is a perfect example. We'll see you next time.